Hi everyone, welcome back to Fit Recipes. Today we are preparing a recipe called as Thecha Paneer. Ingredients you'll need are fresh paneer, green chilies, peanuts, garlic, coriander, lemon, cold press oil, salt. In a pan, add cold press oil, heat it until oil is shimmering, and then add garlic and roast them. Now add about 8 to 10 green chilies and roast them until charred. These are spicy dark green chilies. If you prefer milder flavor, then use light green color chilies which are less spicy. Toss in peanuts and give occasional stir and roast them well until the peanuts are crunchy and aromatic. At this point add coriander. Keep threads of coriander which enhances taste. Season it with salt and give everything a final thorough stir to ensure the flavors are evenly distributed. Remove the pan from the heat and set the roasted mixture aside to cool. Once cold, squeeze lemon juice. In a mortar pestle or grinder, crush into coarse paste. Now take 200 grams of low-fat paneer and cut into cubes, making around 12 to 14 cubes. Generously coat each paneer cube with thecha paste on all sides. Put some oil in a pan and place thecha coated paneer. Sear the paneer until golden. While paneer sears, for garnishing, slice onion into rings. Put salt and lemon juice. Turn your attention to pan. Reverse paneer so it is cooked evenly on all sides. Transfer your golden brown paneer to a serving plate and top it with zesty onion rings. Delicious Thecha paneer recipe is ready. Serve it hot.